Pai, nunca vi nada disso. Hey, hey. Something's wrong, something's up, something's wrong, something's up. This is not a test. Digital audio interface. What? No. That's the one I want. Like this. Afrekt op. Afrekt op. Alright. We're good. We're live. Olá. Olá, amigos. Bem-vindo a mais um episódio. Para acabar a zona dos castelos. Mas antes de montar, vamos desmontar. Por isso começa a desmontar. Começa a desmontar. Let's go. 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 Let me check this code. Let me check this code. Olha, então as questões da ferramenta, né?
Yeah, I know it. Oh no! No.
The monker is crazy. We have Twitter and art now. I will live. Let me share this on Twitter. Do I have Twitter?
Oh, já consegui.
Boa, continua. Continua a desmontar. Let's go. Why is the camera cutting me off? Wait a second, please. There you go. Continua. Desmonta tudo. Bora. Continua. Where's Twitter? Don't I have Twitter on my phone? Oh no. I don't have Twitter. Twitter. You're just a little Twitter. Say hi to the camera. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Welcome to my video.
Welcome to my video.
We're destroying stuff.
Stuff. Hi.
Sim. Esse aqui acho que nós vamos conseguir.
Eu vou conseguir deste.
Acho que vamos conseguir.
Consegui. Já consegui.
Não, acho que vamos conseguir.
Eu já consegui. Já consegui.
This assembling Lego is so hard. Okay, no, it's not like that. What is my Twitter password? My Twitter password. Maybe if I knew my username, this wouldn't be a problem. What is my Twitter password? There you go. I got it. I got it. Yay. we get these two separated. Friggin' birth, there you go. Continua a contar. Voilà, tweet that we live. We live. Building the Legos. Basically, this thing. Camera, picture, camera, action. No, cuidado. Picture, camera, action. There we go. This guy, bam, approved. Approved. Das thing. Uh-oh. Well, this keeps coming open. HTTPS, // to it.tv, super PT. Bam. Bam. Vai ali buscar aquela peça aqui, filho. Aquela peça aqui ali embaixo. Peça aqui ali no chão. Ali debaixo da cadeira. Vai lá. Alright, got it. What's going on here? Não, cuidado, não bate nisso, filho. Sai daí. Tá na frente da câmera. Figured. Oh, so it doesn't work for the onesies. Okay. That's a new one. Tá quase. Got it. Oh my God, sorry. We have a new microphone, so I have no idea how this is going to go with the microphone. Hope the sound is way better than the last time, because last time was super crappy. So, as all our rebuilds, it's not a build, we start by disassembling Lego, because we want to do it from the start. And talking about that, I found this great site, which I think everybody in Lego world knows about it. It's called Bricklink, or Bricklink, yeah, Bricklink, where you can do wanted lists, and you find like little auctions or people selling stuff. You can find. Não sai de cima, já estamos participando. Senta como deve ser. Senta como deve ser. Já está desmontado. Está tudo desmontado? Não está, vês? Está quase. So we found that great site called Bricklink, or I did. And it's actually kind of cool to match prices up with stuff.
Pai, esta não está desmontada. Eu não consigo.
Yeah, we did it. The flat one. The flat one was removed. So I'm gonna say we have all the parts needed. Okay. Okay, oh, forgot this one. Espera aí, excuse me just a second. So on Bricklink, I've done like a wanted list, but I was mainly focusing on the city Legos because that's where we want to grow. And there goes the camera. It's time to push the button. Okay, the camera, excuse me. We're back. And you don't even get bars this time. I don't know why. No bars this time. Okay. The camera para filmar aqui, tá filmando. So, some of these guys barely made it. Like the sun has burnt the shield. Like, it's not supposed to be like this. No, actually, this guy's got a different helmet. Wrong helmet, dude. So these guys with the lion heart, or whatever it's called, shield, actually survived. The ones with this one apparently caught a little bit too much sun. And I remember playing with these guys out on the street. Who's talking? I can't see you. I can barely see you. What's up, Aloris? Where are my 10K? Just got here and camera dies. Duh. Premonition. Yeah, I told Veronica to give you back your 10K. Bad news. She accepted your 10K. So it's poof, gone. Wait, let me Let me open up chat here. Let me open up chat here. Dude, did I tweet? Can you check out if I tweeted? Please check out if I tweeted. Did I tweet it? Did I tweet? I think so. I think I tweeted. Let me open Discord here so I can have chat.
O pai, this
Bem,
é pra aula.
boa. Vamos fazer barco. Alright. Here. Okay, I got chat, so now if you talk to me, I can read chat. Did I miss anything else? I'm gonna have a little chat with her. Go for it. Thank you. Thank you. How you doing, man? So, before I go back into the Bricklink talk, we're gonna build Lego 6049. It's a medieval boat. I feel like this. I feel like this is a mix between like Viking stuff and medieval stuff. I don't know. It's kind of odd. Can you guys see it properly without glossy and glareness and stuff like that? Tweet sent. Thank you. Thank you, dude. Get Among Us, man. I had so much fun yesterday. Dude, the game is like $5. Go get it. It's so good, man. So good. You gotta get it on PC so we can do proximity chat. I think I'm gonna do it today again. Just go grab it. If you don't have Among Us, get Among Us. Join us on Friday nights. It was a freaking blast, even though we only have 5 people. So this guy is kind of. Well, none of these pens are from these guys. Filho, precisamos de calças novas. As calças não são destes senhores. Não. Então, as calças destes senhores são assim, olha ali. Tem um risco preto e pernas azuis. Consegues ir arranjar calças das pernas azuis? Vai ali buscar as calças. Toma. Vai lá para começarmos a montar o barco. Vá. Anda. Sim, leva essas todas. Tem que ter um risco preto, estás a ver? Risco preto e pernas azuis. Esta parte de cima é preta. Vai lá buscar, vá. Para a gente começar com isso. Não sei das tretas. Não sei das tretas. Alright, we'll make them like that. Não. São as calças. Vai lá buscar as calças. Pernas azuis, ok? Se calhar são os outros bonecos que têm. Sim, talvez. By the way, how's the sound compared to the last stream? Like the last Lego stream we did? Because now we got like a proper microphone here on the table. I know it should be here on the chest, but I don't have enough cable for that. Like, I can actually do it like this. Mostra. Olha cá, mostra. So hopefully the sound is way better. Mas este gajo também é daqui, filho. Este senhor também é daqui. Boa. Mas este capacete não é daqui. Precisamos de um capacete assim. Oh, então, a cabeça do senhor veio atrás. Precisamos de um capacete preto. Igual a esse, mas preto. Será que temos algum? Não. Tire-se da boca. Vai lá buscar. Sim, as calças são iguais a estas. Vai lá buscar, iguais a estas. Faltam mais 4 calças iguais, ok? Sim. Oh, we have one too many. Well, guess this guy's out. Sim, esse senhor é daqui, sim, boa. Obrigado. Faltam mais. Sim, mais 2. Alright. Slowly we're building up to it. This teeny pin tweet, the cake tweet has 3 years. 3 freaking years. Dude, I think it's from. Yeah, it's from 3 years. Não, são assim. Não, tem que ser iguais a estas, filho. Pretas e azuis, olha ali. Pretas e azuis as calças. Yeah, we just did 4 years. 4 years on Twitch, bro. 4 years on Twitch. We're almost streaming royalty by now. Or streaming old. And I did 11 years on YouTube, man. We have Battlefield Bad Company 2 videos. You remember that game? From 11 years ago, dude. Does that make you feel old now? Does it? It should. I'll be going to search for some freaking pants. I'll be right back. Fala com a câmera. Diz olá ao tio Lipe.
Olá, tio.
Manda beijinhos à tia.
Beijinhos.
Okay.
O pé. Down, 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 down. Don't be away. Don't be away.
Baby. Give me a second, Jack.
Papai, espera que a cadeira está aqui. Eu acho que não é da.
So the reason why we have more medieval stuff, it's because of these guys.
Não é
But we'll talk about this one after.
Sentar nessa cadeira.
11 years, bro. 11 years making freaking YouTube golds. That's all I gotta say. YouTube gold stuff. Alright, there we go. Got this guy. Got this guy. Let's put them all here so you can see them. Hopefully. Onde é que tá o escudo? Onde é que tá o escudo azul? Sim. Há dois escudos. Ah, tá aqui. Um escudo azul, mas vê lá se encontras outro igual a este. Ah, então olha, começa a construir. Pronto. Começa a montar. Aquilo. Olha. Vai.
E agora?
Agora é aquela ali.
Estas duas.
So, this Lego probably has been built for the past 20 years? Because most of them I did not disassemble. Sim, sim. Na pontinha, só na pontinha, só um. Só um. Ô filho, tá, esqueci de dizer aqui. Esse aqui em frente. Monta aqui, monta aqui. It's too big. Oh, found the other bloke. That means we don't. No, I don't know. I think it's all. I think we're good. I think we're good.
E agora?
Não, só um filho. Não. É só uma peça. Só aqui na pontinha. Assim. Acho eu. Se calhar para trás, vai. Não, é assim. É assim. É assim. É isto?
É isso.
Não são estas, filho. Não. São estas. Sim. Monta lá a tua outra, então. So, 6022, unfortunately, has had a real nasty time because the wheel's broken off after all the playtime that we had with him, and the shield broke his ankle. So broke his handle. So I'm pretty sure I will not be able to build this one,
E agora?
and we will need to order parts. But I'm gonna try to structure this one to the limit. Agora ali. Elas. Esta e esta, sim. Sim. Monta aqui, filho, aqui, para a câmera, para ali. Isso. So, yeah, that's the goal. That's why we're rebuilding everything, because I want to see if there's missing parts. Then I can unleash him to do whatever he wants. I don't think you can see the medieval stuff. Can you see the medieval stuff? No, you can't, because it's over there. It's right there. You can barely see it. Oh, camera's out. Camera's out. Yeah, can you barely see the camera? Gonna make real noise. Prepare. Audio alert. There you go. I gave you an audio warning. Rip. So missing pieces. Yeah, we got a lot of missing pieces. It's actually a nice thing for a show, for a Lego show. Do you know how to do it? Aqui não gostei. Vai, já tá? Boa. Agora a seguir. O que é aquilo? Ah, esta grande. Esta grande no meio.
No meio?
Sim. Não, no meio mesmo, no meio. Wait. Pera. What?
What's that?
No. Uh-huh. It's the wrong one. See? And we have parts that don't belong in the spots there. Okay, so we need a bigger one. Já vai, já vai, já vai. Temos que esperar. Tá bom, mete lá esta aqui no meio. I found it, chat. Alright. So you can see like the castles over there. So this is what we're trying to go. We're trying to close out the medieval theme right now. Look. Trying to close out the medieval theme so I can do like a medieval order and understand what we're missing. Okay. É mini barco. Olha, agora faltam estas duas, olha. Estas duas. Aqui no meio. Espera. Não, mais para lá. Cá. Sim. Isso. Agarra o barco.
Não sei esse.
Filho, agarras no barco. Olha para baixo. Agarras no barco. Vá, faz tu o outro lado. So yeah. Fortunately, this guy, we can try and build him next, okay? These are going to be like real quick builds just to understand what's missing. But for just looking at it, I know that I'm missing the legs, easy money. And on this one, I'm actually going to call it, which guy was it? This guy. This guy actually has one helmet like this, but in black. So there we go. We're already missing one part that I need to order. I'm going to take it out. Boa, isso mesmo. Agora, olha estas. What? Is it? Oh, no. Estas estão. Tá bom? Tá? Aqui.
Por que não é do mar? Não é no barco pequenino?
Estamos a montar o barco. O barco pequenino faz parte do barco grande. Depois do outro lado. Toma, do outro lado. Boa. Isso. Do outro lado. Yep. Certo? Boa. Muito bem, agora eu também esta. Esta não, estes barcos não faziam barulho, filho, eram remos. Toma, aqui, assim aqui. Como está aqui no desenho algo. So, now bridging with Bricklink. Bricklink is like awesome. They got all the Lego listings, all of them, but it's mainly to be used as like a personal library reference. No, as a personal Lego reference, so you create like your wanted list. You can create the Legos you have. You can list Legos to sell. I think you can do a one to buy and like fix a price and stuff like that. But that one I have not searched for. But what I'm seeing is like again focusing on the bridging again with the city. Like we missed a lot on the last few years of city Legos. And they've done to me like some really nice mini themes within the city theme. That is what? That is the jungle mini theme, the Arctic mini theme, the volcano mini theme. So those like mini themes within city theme look really nice, really cool, way different, and they just expand the storytelling capacity of Lego, of City Lego. Okay, so esta e esta. Não, ainda não. Aqui na patinha. Sim. Com o buraco para fora. So I did like a massive, talking about like 80 wanted list, 80 Lego sets, maybe not 80. But what I really wanted to talk about is like, I've found in the European Union and in the States it's even cheaper. That muito bem. Boa. Boa. A outra foi para questão cara. I've found in Lego City, like for the past 5 years, Lego from the past 5 to 6 years, so starting current collection to the previous ones, they are way cheaper than store bought. I was just, we're talking about new sealed packages. And these are usually people with like good reviews and stuff like that, so they're trustworthy or somewhat trustworthy. It's like, dude, how is that possible? And then just freaking inflation here in Portugal. Lego is super inflated here, well, as it is in all the planet. But especially here in Portugal, it's like uber inflated. Ok, agora mete esses boxes aqui em cima. Mete essas pontas aqui em cima. Bora. Estes, seguramente. So I'm just going to try and search for the black helmet. I don't think I'm going to get lucky. Boa. I'll be right back.
Keep talking, please.
Just, you cannot order. You cannot order and talk to us. You do not like. At least not in our level.
We're gonna paint this barco. Vem.
Mostra pra mim.
Vem. Posso agora? O quê? Tá dizendo, né? As coisinhas pretas, Eduardo. Mexendo tá.
All right, I'm back. Just went to get some more rolls. Some more raw ores. Ores? I think that's how we say it.
Esta aqui?
Yep. Estas aqui também. E esta. Vai, vamos para aqui. So what I was talking about earlier, no, I'll go back to Brinkley. So see, we even have to like kludge it together just to be able to play with it. But this was the old shield from this Lego from the carriage, and it just went through hell. My parents tried to fix it. Good effort though. So I think there's gonna be some parts that we'll not be able to find online, even in the Lego store, maybe like some other off-brand Legos. Off-brand Lego stores that they got like parts to sell and stuff like that. They're a little bit overpriced. Boy, it's me. So, Brinkley, I got like about 80 wish listed